Host, welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: balanced nutrition and the importance of a well-rounded diet that includes all essential nutrients. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of nutrition and explore why it is crucial for our overall health and well-being. So, let's get started. Host, when it comes to maintaining good health, the saying, "You are what you eat," couldn't be more accurate. Our bodies require a variety of nutrients to function optimally. These essential nutrients can be broadly categorized into macronutrients and micronutrients. Host, macronutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which form the foundation of our diet. They provide us with energy, support growth and development, and help regulate various bodily processes. On the other hand, micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals are needed in smaller amounts but are equally vital for our health. Host, so why is it important to have a balanced diet that includes all these essential nutrients? Well, let's break it down. Host, firstly, a balanced diet ensures that our bodies receive all the necessary nutrients for proper growth and development. Children, in particular, require a diverse range of nutrients to support their physical and cognitive development. A deficiency in any essential nutrient can hinder their growth and increase the risk of health problems. Host, secondly, a well-rounded diet helps to maintain a healthy weight. When we consume an excess of unhealthy foods that are high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats, we're more likely to gain weight and increase the risk of obesity and related health conditions. By focusing on a balanced diet, we can maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Host, next, a balanced diet supports our immune system, enabling it to function optimally. Various vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, zinc, and selenium, play a crucial role in strengthening our immune response. By including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in our diet, we can bolster our immune system and reduce the risk of illnesses. Host, furthermore, a balanced diet contributes to our mental well-being. Research suggests that certain nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids and B vitamins, have a positive impact on brain health and can help reduce the risk of mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. A diet rich in these nutrients, along with other healthy foods, can support our overall mental well-being. Host, lastly, a well-rounded diet reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By including a variety of nutrient-dense foods in our meals, we provide our bodies with the necessary tools to combat these diseases. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins are all key components of a balanced diet that can help reduce the risk of developing these conditions. Host, so, it's clear that balanced nutrition is the key to a healthy lifestyle. By focusing on a diet that includes all